Hello there. Today I'm going to be covering the potential of a historic winter storm. If this thing pans out together, this could be record breaking in many places for single day snowfall amounts. I mean, we could be looking at for sure 1 to 2 snow days for portions of the upper Midwest and potentially north central plains. So, here is what I see here. So today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So next week, Wednesday, a 50 to 70% probability for heavy snowfall, predominantly in South Dakota and then some in far southeast North Dakota. Now, only reason why it's not too high at this point is because the storm would be developing right there, but it's gonna develop quick. As in, it's just gonna implode on itself. And then with the setup, it could also maybe I would not know at this time, but if the storm setup does set up at the right place at the right time at the right speed, we could be also looking at severe weather potential right here. So that's going to be another aspect of the storm we'd have to monitor. And then also, some models have it being pretty powerful, which would result in some blizzard conditions. So that's another aspect we need to watch. And then day 7, this is rare for the Weather Prediction Center to ever issue 70 to 90% snowfall probabilities on day 7. That is rare. I mean, it's common for the lime green or dark green to come out, but then it's uncommon enough for the darker blue. But then for the bright blue, that is next level stuff. That means there's for sure something big coming your way. And for southern Canada, Michigan, Wisconsin, and Minnesota, you're in the bullseye of one major snowfall, as in widespread 12 plus inch snowfall amounts and maybe even some 20 plus inch amounts. So I'm going to show you the GEFS and symbols. They are great in showing different aspects. So there's Orlando leaving right there. But then some already, like here, already have it being well mature. And this kind of setup again, it just draws in a whole bunch of moisture into the storm, feeding lots of rain and then lots of heavy snow and then severe weather to the south. And then again, some have it just developing, mainly light snow showers, so that there are some that are in between, like not ridiculously powerful but not weak. But then all of them show the storm growing very quickly. This would predominantly favor a more westerly track. This one seems to be what might happen right now, so anyone here would be very heavy snow at first, then rain, maybe even isolated thunderstorms over here, and then switching back to heavy snowfall. And then anyone who stays in the all snow zone, you could easily see up to 15, if not 20 or more inches of snow. And then also, the strength that they show would be enough to produce widespread 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, enough for widespread blizzard warnings. And then, right here, it develops a cold front so strong it would have rain changing to snow on the backside, probably accumulate quick inch or inch and a half. This one and this one have it developing into a completely new storm for southern US. That could happen, but most of them don't have that scenario happening. So I would consider that as of right now an outlier. And then some of them have already gone, and then others have it just starting for some places. So that just shows that timing's not certain. But one thing's for certain, is that this one develops a another huge snowstorm afterwards. But again, outliers. So we'll ignore that for now. And then here are the snowfall accumulations. See here. Yeah, again, some are mostly in between, not too heavy, but then some show up to 20, if not 23 inches in spots. So that's a preliminary outlook for tonight. Have a great night.